Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro from the application. You have to start by open Creative application, and after that you need to tap at this icon at the left top. Then you will see your earbuds here and you need to tap at the three dots. Then forget this audio device. And now we have some bug here. Yeah, as you can see, we have no more devices in the application. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.